Hello friends, today I'm going to review .os ROM and I have today Redmi 3S Prime with me. So let's get started. Here you get Pixel Launcher as pre-installed launcher and it's very fluid. Let's first go to settings and then system, then about phone, and here you can see that the .os 2.5 I'm using right now, it's based on Android version 8.1 Oreo, and I think it's the final version because the developers are now developing the Pi build of this ROM. And here its security patch level is 5th October, which is not bad. Now let's check VoLTE connection. Let's call 198. Okay, it's working fine, there are no issues in VoLTE. Let's have a look at the notification panel. Everything looks rounded like Pi build of Android. Now let's talk about some of the customization which this ROM provides. So let's open .extras and here all the customization are there. The first is the battery icon style. Here you can change your style of battery icon, and then the traffic indicators. If you want internet speed meter, then let's enable it and it will show you the speed. Then if you want 4G icon instead of LTE, then you can enable this, and yeah, that's it in this. And then now let's go back, and in navigation part, if you want on screen navigation buttons, then you can enable this. Now let's open quick settings, and then in quick settings you can change your notification panel. If you change the number of columns to 5, it will look like this, but I like default, it's 4. Now go back, and then when you open recent, in recent if you enable memory bar, then the free RAM will show you in the top left of your screen. Let's go to lock screen UI, and in lock screen UI, if you want fingerprint vibration, then you can enable it from here. After that, face auto unlock is not useful because this is not present in this ROM at present. Lock screen charging info, you can enable this. When you charge your phone, it will show you the voltage, and that's it. Let's go back and now open system. Here if you open buttons, if you enable this, then when you press power button for a second, it will toggle the torch. So, and then in the back button, I've done nothing. In home button, if you long press, it will open Google Assistant, and then in overview button, which is also called recent menu button, if you long press, it will take a screenshot. So, and now when you go back, just open again system, and then in general tweaks, if you enable sensor block per package, then you might get some good amount of battery backup. Vibrate on connect feature, that's when you call connects, it will vibrate. In animation, if you want an Android P animation style, you can enable it from here. Then go back, and let's open settings, and then I don't think I've left anything. I've shown you everything. I've given the full review of this ROM, and there are no issues in this ROM. Everything is working, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, everything is working fine. Camera, there are no issues, and I think you can use it as a daily drive. Now let's talk about the battery backup of this ROM, because this is the most important thing in a ROM. So battery backup is awesome. I was getting around 5.5 hours of screen on time with 34% battery left.
So, and I have used many other ROMs, but the battery backup in this ROM is far better than many other ROMs. For example, Resurrection Remix, MIUI, every ROM I have used. Now let's talk about the charging time. It takes only 1 hour and 50 minutes to charge from 20% to 100%, which is again very good thing about this ROM, because in MIUI it takes around 2.5 hours to 3 hours